Hello everybody! Today we will install a free ABAP environment trial instance in the BTP Cockpit. Then we connect to this instance with Eclipse and the ABAP Development Tools. So we open the link account.hanatrial.ondemand.com and here we log in with our SAP user. So if you don't have one, you can register one and log in with your SAP user. Then we pick a region. In my case, I'm in the middle of Europe, so I pick the US East. In your case, pick the nearest one to your localization. And after that, the trial account will be created. We see first the global account, then the sub-account, organization, and space. This takes some time. Okay, now we are finished. We click on the button Continue. And then we click on the button Go to your trial account. Here we see the global account and our sub-account. So we click on the sub-account trial. Then we click on Cloud Foundry Environment. And here we see one space, the dev space. We click on it on this line. Then on the left side, we click on Services, then Service Marketplace. And here we see some entries. We click here in the input field in the search field and we type here ABAP, and here we see the ABAP environment. We click on this. Then we click on Create. Then we see the service ABAP environment, the plan shared. And here we pick an instance name. In my case, I type here my trial. Click on Next. And here we have to add our email address. It should be the same email address which we have used for our login here. Then we click on Next. And then on Create. Then on View Instance. And then the instance will be created. This takes some time. So it's created now. Next, we can open Eclipse with the ABAP Development Tools. Then we click on File, New, ABAP Cloud Project. And then we have to paste here an URL. So we go back to the BTP Cockpit. We click here on this line, then on the menu service keys, we click on Create, and here we pick a name of the service key. My trial as key for service key, for example, and then we click on Create. Then a JSON will be created with some information in it. The important part for us is the URL. So we click here on View, and here we see the URLs. We see here endpoints, ABAP, and we can copy this URL now. Then we close this window and we go back to Eclipse. And here we paste this URL, we click on Next. Then we can log in with our default browser or with another browser. So I picked another browser and I click on the button Copy Log On URL to Clipboard. Then I open my browser here, paste this URL. Then we got the message, you have been successfully logged on. You can close this page and continue in the ABAP Development Tools. So we open Eclipse again, and here we see the login information. And I put this login information to a working set of mine, which I have created before. You don't have to do this. And then we click on Finish. Okay, so we see now we have here our new ABAP Cloud Trial Test instance. And we see a Z local package. And there are many other packages too, because we have picked the plan shared. And here we see a ton of other packages from other developers, and you can use this package to browse here and to check what they have done, what they are practice, and so on. And I would say now let's create our own test package here. So for this we click here on Set Local, right mouse click, New ABAP Package, and I write here set underline Cust&Code. Then a description, Cust&Code test package, and next. Okay, we can pick an application component if we want. Then we click on next, and here we have to type in a description for a transport request, just for testing. Then I click on Finish. And now we see on the left side our package with some information. And in this package, we can now create another development objects if we want. With this setup, you can then train the ABAP Cloud syntax and play with CDS views and ABAP Managed Database Procedures. Yes, so if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also write something in the comments. I always like to read them. Take care and see you on the next video.